Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a stiff plant. So in the new update of Skate 4, they've added a heap of new plant variations, which can be a really cool way to switch up your trick line and add a cool transition from a quarter path. Now, to do a stiff plant, super simple, you just need to know how to do a regular hand plant by using RB. And you just need to use your right stick to tweak it to the right. Now this is the front side variation, so we'll need to approach the quarter pipe front side, meaning that we will approach it at an angle like this, on a slight angle, just like that. And now to put it all together, hold RB and tweak it to the right. There you have a stiff plant. One more time, angle, RB, to the right, and there you have a front side stiff plant. Thanks for watching. If you need help with anything else in Skate 4, don't forget to let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe for more. See ya.